you guys how to make a backpack out of a bag you already have or just out of fabric. So you can go from this to this. So I'm starting out with this already. But if you want to make your own entire bag from scratch, it's not going to be that hard. Just take a look at the stitching. There's stitching on the bottom and on one of the sides. So it was cut a long rectangle and sewn together here, and then the bottom was sewn together. Not with that. I'm gonna make mine with black. What fabric you're gonna use for the straps is gonna be different depending on how sturdy you want the bag to be and how you want the bag to fit. If you want it to fit really well, then cut the straps a little bit short and use like a stretchy fabric. This has a little bit of stretch, two-way, but I don't care, so I don't really need it to be that sturdy, but I'm gonna make it sturdy anyways, which is when you want to fold the fabric over and put some foam or cardboard if you really wanted to just add a little bit more sturdiness to the middle. I'm just showing you guys this for example because I don't really need mine to be that sturdy, considering I probably won't put that much heavy in it. But yeah, anyways, yeah, if you wanted to, you could either glue the foam. Next, the bobbin can be whatever color you want. It really doesn't matter. You're probably not gonna see it. But get the matching color. I'm gonna hem mine. It's completely optional to hem it. I'm gonna hem this side, this, and the bottom, and then sew it. So I kind of messed these up because on this sleeve I sewed it from this side facing up and forgot that's the top. So the lime green bobbin I have is showing through, but I think I'm just gonna leave it honestly because I don't know what looks worse, like the green or this. I think this will look weirder than that, so yeah, I'm gonna So this is easier when it's not attached. Like,
so Ela, I'd like to ask you, who is your dream podcast guest?
onto the fabric before it's sewn, but you can still do it while it's sewn. You just have to make sure you separate this. For example, my sewing machine has this, so I can separate things, like fronts and backs of fabrics, so yeah. That's a good one. It fits nice. I don't know,